Welcome to part 3 of our special home decor series. Today, we're diving into the art of color and light in our small, cozy living rooms. Whether you're dealing with limited space or just want to maximize coziness, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share expert tips and creative ideas to make your small living room feel spacious and stylish. This series is broken down into 10 parts. Each will be a separate video to ensure that this video is not too long. Part 3: Color and light in small spaces. Color and lighting play a vital role in small spaces. We'll delve into the magic of light colors, mirrors, and smart lighting solutions to make your living room feel brighter and more spacious. Let's first touch on the subject of how it can impact your colors. 1. The impact of color. Light colors. Light colors such as whites, pale grays, soft pastels, and light shades of other colors are a go-to choice for small spaces. Light colors have a reflective quality that bounces natural and artificial light around the room, making it feel brighter and more open. They can create a sense of airiness and expansiveness. Expanding space. Light colors visually expand the boundaries of a room. When used on walls and ceilings, they can create an illusion of height and width, making a small living room appear more spacious. 2. Mirrors and their magic. Mirrors as reflectors. Mirrors are one of the most effective tools for enhancing light in a small space. They reflect both natural and artificial light, doubling the illumination in the room and making it feel more open and welcoming. Strategic placement. Place mirrors across from windows or other light sources to maximize the amount of light they reflect. Mirrors can also be used as decorative elements, helping to create a sense of depth and making the room look larger than it is. Multi-purpose mirrors. Consider mirrored furniture or decor items that serve multiple functions. For example, a mirrored coffee table not only adds a touch of glamour, but also reflects light throughout the room. 3. Smart lighting solutions. Natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows unobstructed. Avoid heavy curtains or blinds that block out the sun. If privacy is a concern, consider sheer curtains that allow light to filter through. Layered lighting. In small living rooms, it's important to have a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Layered lighting adds depth to the space and creates a cozy atmosphere. Use floor lamps, table lamps, wall sconces, and pendant lights strategically to provide the right level of illumination in different areas of the room. Dimmer switches. Install dimmer switches to control the intensity of your lighting. This allows you to adjust the mood and brightness in your living room as needed. LED and smart lighting. Consider energy-efficient LED bulbs and smart lighting solutions. LED lights emit less heat and are more cost-effective. Smart lighting systems can be controlled remotely. When colors harmonize, the room feels less compartmentalized, enhancing the perceived space. Incorporating light colors, using mirrors strategically, and implementing smart lighting solutions can work together to create a sense of brightness and openness in your small living room. These techniques contribute to the illusion of a larger space, making your cozy living room feel more inviting and comfortable. This concludes this portion of the Small Living, Big Style, Decorating Your Cozy Living Room series. Please start watching from the beginning of the series for the full scope of this concept. Please like and subscribe if you find my videos helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. Happy decorating and design on!